Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you one very good opportunity coming from ordinary school for the role of data science. And many of you are knowing that the demand of data science day by day increasing and multiples of job opening in the career platform guys. And this day learning skill is very important for getting placed. Okay, certification is not enough to get placed. Okay, so if you have the knowledge then you can easily get into any companies. Okay, so in detail guys I will tell you everything including qualification, skills and everything. Okay, but before guys let me tell you 6 important AI tool used by every data scientist. Okay, so if you know, so do let me know in the comment section, but if you don't know, so let me tell you. Okay, so you can see top 6 AI tool every data scientist must know. Okay, so if you're planning to start your career in the field of data scientist, so here you can see top 6 AI tool every data scientist must know. Okay, so if you're planning to start your career in the field of data science, so you must have the knowledge of this all 6 tool, because these all 6 tools are very important. Okay, so you can see top tools data scientist uses. So you can see first one is Wit and Bias and Amazon SageMakers and Hugging Face, Bard AI, GitHub Copilot and Google Cloud Auto Email. Okay, so these all 6 7 tools are very important. Okay, so in short guys I will tell you about all these 6 tools, but if you want to know in detail so you can read. Okay, so I will share this URL. Okay, so you can see first one is Weight Bias is a platform that help data scientists to track their experiment and manage their code. And also guys, and also Weight Bias include numbers of AI tools which help during model selection, hypermeter tunings and error analysis. Okay, so in short guys I have tell you about the Weight Bias. Here uses the mention and also experiment tracking, visualization, hypermeter optimization and collaboration. Okay, so if you want to know in detail so guys you can read. Okay, so now let's move to next tool, and that is Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is a cloud-based platform that provide various machine learning tools and also used to build, trains and deploy machine learning model at scale. Okay, and here uses they have mentioned including preparation, selection, training. Okay, so everything in detail they have mentioned, so you can read. And third tool is Hugging Face. Hugging Face is a pre-trained transformer model which is well suited for natural languages processing tasks like text classification, question answering and summarization. Okay, and here uses they have mentioned including transformer library and model hubs. Okay, if you want to know in detail guys you can check out. Okay, so now let's move to fourth AI tools, and that is Bard AI. Bard AI is a large language model which is developed by Google AI, and this is also similar to ChatGPT and used to generate text, translate language and write different kind of creative contents, and also capable of performing more complex tasks such as coding, debugging and researching. And here uses they have mentioned and also text analysis tools and customization. Okay, so now let's do fifth tools, and that is GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is AI assistant that can help data scientists to write code, and powered by OpenAI Codex languages models, and it can generate code, complete incomplete code and also suggest improvement to existing code if there is any error or any mistake. Okay, and here use case they have mentioned including AI power code completion and learning from developer patterns. And last tool guys, Google Cloud Auto Email. Google Cloud Auto Email help data scientists to build and deploy machine learning models without having to write any codes, and also used for varieties of tasks such as image classification, natural language processing and fraud detection. Okay, and here uses they have mentioned including user friendly interface, automated training. Okay, so in short guys I have tell you about all 6 or 7 AI tools. If you want to know in detail guys so you can read all this thing. I will share one separate link for this one. Okay, so now let's move to main video guys, so you can see ordinary school data science courses, join, learn, get higher slide bootcamp with placement assistant, and in Google guys 4.7 rating is there out of 5. Okay, and here's some highlights they have mentioned about this bootcamp. So live instructed lead bootcamp, job regarding in 6 months, and project based learning is there, and unlimited job opportunity also there. Okay, so duration for this bootcamp guys only 6 months. In this 6 months guys they will teach you, train you, and after that placed you. Okay, and what are the eligibility criteria for this opportunity guys? For this opportunity any graduate can apply for this opportunity, and batches guys, fresher and experienced both batches can apply for this opportunity. Means guys below 2023 all batches can apply for this opportunity. 90, 20, 21, 22 and 23, these all batches can try for this opportunity, and all branches can apply for this opportunity, and there is no any percentage criteria for this opportunity. So if you are passionate about learning a skill and want to start your career in the field of IT companies or in the field of data science, so you can join this bootcamp guys. Okay, an important date for this bootcamp upcoming cohort is starting from 13th of September 2023, and bootcamp fee will be guys 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000, and no cost EMI option is also there guys, is starting from 5,500 500 per month only. Okay, and this platform is also trusted by many students. So in case if you have any problem after paying your full fee, so 10-day refund policy is also there. So fee structures guys I will tell you in detail later. Okay, but before guys, let about the skills, what the skill you gonna learn in this 6 months or so. You can see the most in demand skill in a single curriculum guys. You can see courses module are divided in two part, core modules and elective modules guys. In elective section you gonna learn Power BI and PySpark, and in core modules guys you gonna cover topics like SQL, Python, statistic, EDA, machine learning, business intelligence, storytelling, Git and GitHub. Okay, and also guys they offer to you to work in a project, wider project currently running on industry. So you can see what's a great curriculum without project based learning. Okay, so right now 10 plus data science project running on industry. Okay, so you can see first one is COVID-19 prediction, credit card approval and health insurance prediction. Okay, so just scroll right to left and you can check out. Okay, and also some additional career services provided through this platform guys, which help during placements. So you can see resume building, mock interview, behavioral skill workshop and online profile buildings and industry interaction and unlimited job opportunity. Okay, so and many good and big companies are also hiring through this platform. So you can see right now guys 500 plus hiring partners are there, and company like Google, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, TCS, Cognizant. Okay, so many good and big companies are hiring through this platform. Okay, job available for our learner this week. So you can see snapshot 375 data scientist job opportunity available to our learner this week, and medium package will be 7 LPA and highest package will be guys 26 LPA. Okay, and top job role offer through this platform. So you can see top job roles are data scientist, data engineer, data scientist, machine learning and Power BI developer. Okay, and also guys many students are getting placed through this platform. So you can see here from our peers who have successfully placed. So in case if you have any doubts and query, you can directly contact with them on LinkedIn because their LinkedIn profile URL is there. So before applying, if you have any doubts and query, you can talk with them regarding this bootcamp. Okay, and also guys mentors are currently working on industry, so they have better knowledge and skill. They will teach you and guide you in better way. So you can see meet our mentors and speakers. So you can see Dr. Mohit Sevak, he is working as a principal applied AI research at Microsoft. Saurabh Rai is working as a data scientist at IBM. Okay, so mentors already working guys, they have better skills and knowledge. They will teach you and guide you in better way. So although we have discussed every important highlight except fee structure, so let me tell you in detail about fee structure guys. So you can see get started now, and your final fee will be 99,000 plus GST, and right now some scholarship is also there up to 30,000. So your final fee will be around 70,000, and also no cost EMI option is also there for 3 months, 6 months, 9 month and 12 month, and per month guys 5,500 only. Okay, and your seat reservation charge is only 5,000 plus GST. And in earlier guys I have told you about this platform is also trusted. So you can see if you wish to withdraw from the bootcamp within the first 10 days from the start date, your fee will be fully refunded. Okay, so no need to worry about this platform guys. An important date for this opportunity, upcoming cohort is starting from 13th of September this month. So you have time guys, apply as soon as possible for this opportunity. And not everyone gonna shortlist for this opportunity, but you can try for this opportunity. Okay, and also before applying, don't forget to check FAQ section because here some general question answer are already done. So before applying once it, and after that simply apply for this opportunity. So how you can apply for this opportunity guys, just go upside and you can see one registration form is there. So fill your first name, last name, email ID, contact number and year of graduation. So if you're from 2023 batches, just click on this one, and work experience. So if you're fresher, then none, and request a callback, and after that they will contact you. So this is how you can apply for this opportunity guys. So if you face any problem, you can do comments and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both applying and Instagram link given in video description. So check description for more information guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you're rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.